Welcome to Mark's Budget Garage. Today we are going to attempt to clean this aluminum wheel, and we're going to go through the process. I got some steel wool, a little metal brush. I may attach some steel wool to this. I'm not going to use this directly on the aluminum. That'll ruin it. I got one of these polishing ball attachments, a little nylon plastic brush, microfiber towel, normal towels. Let's see what we can do. First things first, I want to try putting this on and just kind of seeing what damage this can actually do to the black crud and stuff like that. Mag and aluminum polish, easy peasy. You see all that black crap? That's aluminum. Now you can kind of tell that the polish is starting to work in that area, so we may keep hitting it with it. I mean, we could use a little WD-40 or brake cleaner to really bust some of this stuff up. Probably gonna have to. Probably gonna have to get a little sandpaper on that. That's some bad crud right there. Dang, it is starting to shine up pretty good. Let's keep at it. You can see down in here, that's really caked on. That was easy, but that's a nasty mess. So I'm gonna get some very fine grit sandpaper. Actually, before we get some sandpaper, let's try a little steel wool. I think the steel wool is a little too gentle at the moment. A lot better than what it was before. So far we know steel wool works pretty good, especially in conjunction with the polish. Now we're going to see if we can speed it up a little bit though with 800, and I'm going to hit a lot of them nasty crudded up black spots with this, and then I'll go over it with some steel wool, and then we'll go over it with like the microfiber towel or something. Let's actually test this out on the face of it as well. All right, let's hit it with our buffer. Pop. You know what, actually, I'm gonna go get a more powerful drill instead of this little cheap, hyper tough budget Walmart one, which is good and it probably worked, but I'm gonna go get my plug-in drill. There we go. Blew some dang dust in my old faithful Ryobi. All right, let's check it out. Holy smokes, y'all. Now they do make some acids that you can spray on aluminum wheels, and it eats a lot of that oxidation off almost immediately. Then you rinse it off, and it probably does a lot of this for you. Now there may be people in the comments or something, you may be watching this going, man, you're doing this the hard way. That may be so. I don't know. I'm just kind of I used to do paint and corrosion in the Navy on helicopters. I get the gist of oxidation and sanding and priming and sealing, all that's fun stuff. And this is I've never had aluminum wheels until I bought this truck. So, but it's impressive. You can get them looking chrome. You can get them reflective, mirror finish basically, and that will look good as hell. Now on this, whoo, only got maybe half of it done. I've been out here, I don't know, that's like 30-40 minutes worth of elbow grease into that sucker. But the results are going to be so killer. I'm so stoked about it. And I really haven't used too much of this. I've just kind of mostly used the surface. So I'm going to keep whacking away at this, and we'll get some results. Let's see. Now, what I would suggest at this point, this is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to buy a wire brush that's more soft than aluminum, and I'm going to just tear it up with a softer wire brush. I think that the steel wool works really good. The sandpaper works really good. I've seen people using WD-40 brake cleaner on it. Apparently that's good if you need something kind of quick, but best thing is some kind of aluminum polish, or like I said, there's the spray on acids, and I may buy a small jug of that and hose them down first. But really, I mean, obviously the best way would be to take them off and get them like that. But anyways, Smart's Budget Garage. So if you got a wrench, you got a garage. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna keep hitting these tires up, and I'll see y'all next time.